Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need agar-agar, a gelling agent, along with a sugar source like dextrose and a nutrient blend such as yeast extract or peptone. Remember to have sterile containers, like Petri dishes or test tubes, and a pressure cooker ready for sterilization. Accurate measurements are key for a successful batch. Now let's mix everything. Combine your dry ingredients thoroughly in a heat-resistant flask. Then, gradually add the specified amount of distilled water, stirring until everything is well suspended. Gently heat the solution on a stovetop, stirring constantly until all components are completely dissolved and the mixture is clear. Finally, sterilize your medium in a pressure cooker for 15 minutes at 15 pounds per square inch. Once sterilized, allow the pressure cooker to cool slightly before opening. Carefully pour the warm, liquid medium into your sterile Petri dishes or containers. Work swiftly and in as clean an environment as possible, perhaps near a flame, to minimize airborne contaminants. Fill each dish to about 1/3 or 1/2 full. Then, let the medium cool undisturbed on a level surface until it solidifies, which usually takes about 30 minutes. After your medium has solidified, it's ready for storage. Tightly seal your Petri dishes or containers to prevent dehydration and contamination. Store them upside down in a refrigerator, which helps prevent condensation from dripping onto the surface. Properly stored, your homemade medium can remain viable for up to several weeks. Always remember to visually inspect each dish for any signs of microbial growth before you begin your experiments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.